In this video, I will be showing you how to export a mind map from NotebookLM so you can visualize your research effectively. Let's get started. I'm starting here on my NotebookLM homepage where I can see all of my features and recent projects organized in one place. I'm going to scroll down to my recent notebooks and select this one titled NotebookLM, the AI-powered knowledge architecture. Once the notebook opens, you'll see my uploaded sources on the left and the chat interface in the middle. Now, click on the mind map. It initially shows up in a collapsed view. I'm going to click through these small plus icons to expand each branch and see the full picture. This visual layout is incredibly helpful for seeing how different concepts, like YouTube transcripts and content generation, all connect within the framework. Once I'm happy with how the map looks, I'll move my cursor to the top right corner of the mind map panel and click the download icon. You can see the file, NotebookLM Mind Map, is downloaded as a PNG image. I'll go ahead and click that file to open it up in my photo viewer. Now that it's open, I can zoom in and pan around to inspect the details. Everything from the Google AI Research Assistant definitions to the specific creative and business use cases is captured in high resolution. This is a perfect way to take your AI-generated insights and turn them into a professional asset you can share or include in a presentation. And just like that, you have a fully exported mind map ready to go. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.